Is your Ford Escape key fob not working? The most common issues are battery problems and the fob needing to be resynced. First, check the battery. The Escape key fob uses a CR2032 battery. Pry open the fob carefully using a flat tool. Replace the battery, ensuring the correct polarity. If a new battery doesn't solve the problem, try resyncing the fob. You can do this by cycling the ignition or using the Ford Pass app. Open the app, navigate to the key fob settings, and follow the on-screen instructions to pair the fob again. This often fixes synchronization issues caused by electromagnetic interference or a low battery. If battery replacement and resyncing don't resolve the key fob issues, the problem may involve the car's antenna or receiver. These components are located in the rear window or bumper and handle communication with the key fob. Try troubleshooting these issues using the Ford Pass app or consult a professional mechanic for diagnosis and repair. Looking ahead, Ford is moving towards digital key fobs with features like phone as a key, reducing reliance on physical fobs. Battery technology is improving with longer lasting and potentially rechargeable fobs. Keep your fob away from metal and magnets to prevent issues, and always dispose of batteries properly.